Good evening. Hi. Yeah. Hi. Yeah. So I'm yesterday we were doing making the hole in the hook. Same thing I am also doing. That is, I was telling you how to do. In my part, I didn't do. So I'm just doing. You can just watch it. Uh, you remember, right? This we were using. Uh, sorry. We were using knife projection. So same thing I'm also using. For that we need a Bezier circle. So I'm placing Bezier circle and now I'm going to do the knife projection. Select first one circle and then select this one, this hook object, and then press tab, that is go to edit mode, and then mesh knife project. Yes, done. Now we can delete the faces. Right. Now again we have to select this one for the bottom hole and select this one also. Shift select the mesh, go to edit mode and then mesh knife project. Right. Delete. Oh yeah, I am recording. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah. So now we can we no more need these curves. We were using those curves, Bezier curves, to make the hole in the mesh. Now we don't need them anymore. But for that sake, we need not delete them. We can just keep them. Finally, once the models are all over, we can delete them. We can dispose them. Right now, I'm selecting the hook object, which is hold now. Only thing, it is a bit hollow, so we have to fill it. That is, it's not filling in the sense it's like we have to apply this edge, bridge edge loops. So for that we have to select first the edge loops on both the sides. Then we can apply the bridge edge loops. Let me just try to select them. Yeah, okay, selected. Right, this one. Uh, minimize what? Sorry, I'm not getting. Okay, okay. Is this okay? This is the one you are saying. Uh, what you Oh, that I really don't know how to how to hide them or anything. I'll try. Three, 3 points are there. Yeah. Uh huh. Yeah, 3 points are there. Yeah, minimize. Yeah, yeah, correct. Thank you. Yours don't watch. I should say anything. Or if I say don't watch, will I able to be retrieve it? That is when I want to see your video. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Don't watch. I'll say so that remove. Remove from the call. Ask to pair your tiles. Okay. No, it's not there. That is for my cell. No, my label or what I don't know what to call it. That I am able to hide it, but for your thing, I am not able to hide it. So if I say remove from the call, if I say it may cut, I think. If I say remove from the call, it may cut, I think. So yeah, yeah. Okay, 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 okay. So I'll go to my blender. Yeah. So now I'm selecting the bottom edges also. Yeah, I've selected. Now I'm going to press or bridge edge loops. Yeah, it is done. Nice. Okay, fine. Now the hook is made. I'm going to name it hook mesh, and this one, everything I'm going to name it. This is cylinder post or cylinder post one, cylinder post one, and then this one also hook mesh upper, and this one is fillet, and this one is top and spear piece. Okay, like this, if we name it, no, it'll be easy for us to, for me to select it in the outliner. It'll be easy. For that sake, I'm naming it. Right now, uh, actually, I can copy this one and keep it down also. Or do you want to do the same thing in the down, or do you want to copy it? What? How do you prefer? If you want to do it in the copy it. Uh-huh. Okay, okay. So you understood, no, how I was doing and how you were doing yesterday. That is how yeah, circles. Yeah, that is one thing. And to bring this projection, no, what I'm showing here, this projection. To bring out this projection, we added two lines here, like this, one like one bottom, one top, and then we scaled them, shrinked them, and then yeah, and then we selected the faces, some of the faces, and extruded them. Yeah, and then we, for these edges, for smooth edges, we beveled it actually. We selected this one edge, shift to select another edge here, corner edge, and control B, and scroll mouse button number of cuts into 3 or something. It became smooth and like this. So finally it became like this. Okay, right. Now delete this annotation. Now, so top hook mesh is ready, and I have to duplicate and place it in the down. When I am moving the any object, no, I'm pressing control in the keyboard and then moving. It'll be easy for me. If it is loose like this, no, somehow I feel not comfortable. So when I press control and then snappingly move it, I'm feeling a bit easy. So you can also follow it if you are convenient. If you are okay with it, you can maintain that. Maintain doing that. Right. Now I have duplicated it and kept it in the lower portion also. So I will name it as hook mesh lower. Right. So next thing we have to do is, let's go and see the image. Uh, mm, should be okay. So next thing is chain we have to do. So for that we have to create a curve. I will show you how to create a curve. Uh, Before that we have to make uh, this these things uh, group of objects controlled by one parent. These all will become a child. All this will become a child, and then we can duplicate it easily. Like that we can do. And even before that, we have to make a base slit here. So that also will make, and switch to face mode. Press dot in the keyboard, function dot, and then apply Alt E and extrude. Choose extrude faces along normals. Okay, I've done it. Okay, fine. Ah, ah. Sorry, I just extruded it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, line we already made. I think in your cylinder post also it should be there. Yeah, yeah. For this only we made this line. Yeah. In the beginning itself, when we were creating the cylinder post, no, this line, this bottom one line, and this line. That is, let me call it loop cut. This loop cut, this loop cut. So from here also we extruded. Now in the bottom we have to. This is the time to extrude in the bottom so that we can move to the next entirely to the next object like chain, all that we can do. So we are finishing with this one. Uh, so I am selecting. You know how I am selecting. Yesterday I showed you. If I select this, just this is east, north, south, west. Yeah, yeah. So if I select, if I place my cursor in the north and then press hold alt and then left mouse button click, it will select the entire northern yeah, longitude. Yeah, like that. Yeah. So same way. Yeah. Yeah. Now I'm going to uh, sorry. You're very good. Oh, great. Okay. Yeah, we need it. Yes. We need the base. Yeah. Only thing, you just watch, no? When I'm doing, please watch, so that some certain things you may like come to know. Oh, okay, this like this and that, like that. So I will come to you. I'll come to you. Now I'm switching to the vertex mode and switching on the X-ray mode also. Now I want to make this circular guy, a square. We can leave it as circular only, it's not a problem, but we can make it a square also for that, just to show that I'm doing it. So what I'm doing it, first X-ray mode on, because if I select without X-ray mode, no, you see what is happening, the down part is not getting selected. If I switch off the X-ray, down part is not getting selected. That is, the other side is not getting selected. Yeah, so I'm switching on the X-ray so that it is becoming transparent. You can see the floor grid and all you are able to see. So now when I draw the rectangle like this, the bottom also getting selected. That is the advantage of X-ray mode. That is what we call wireframe mode in other softwares. No, here in Blender they are calling it X-ray mode. Yeah. Now I am deselecting the outermost thing. That is this. I feel is okay. Now same thing, same uh, number of set of vertices. Here this side also I am selecting. Down portion also I am selecting. Let me count it in the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 8, 9. So from here one. From here I should select. Right. Now I want to make this guys flat. Let me try. Oh, it's happening like this. Okay. So what is, yeah. So how to get what we desire? The Here is the option. we have to go to switch on, go to transform pivot point and switch on the individual origins. You see now what is happening like this. So they know, because here I have selected one thing, it has become an entity. This guy has have selected another thing, it has become another entity. So they can have their own local access. You're understanding, no? That is, yeah, in between we have a gap in selection. So they are now two entities, not one entity. So they can have individual origins of their own. If I had selected the entire thing, no, even if I put individual origins, it won't make sense here because they are now one entity. If I put median, doesn't matter, it will scale the same way. If I put individual origins also, it will scale the same way. No, yeah. Now, if I make a gap in the selection, then they think they are different from each other. Now they will have their own local axis, their own direction of scaling and transformation. Now, when I switch on the individual origins, they are able to scale from their local axis, and so we are getting the straight lines. So, like this, we can get what we want. Now, this side also, same thing we have to do, like this. So, we have made it a square, like this. Now, I don't want this like to be a continuous surface. This cylinder, if you see, this is a separate object, this is a separate object, this is a separate object. Like that, here also it should be a separate object. So what we have to do for modeling purpose, it was easy for us to, from there we can extrude all that we can do. Now it's a time to separate them, and like that we have to separate them. For that, what I have to do, I have to select those faces whom I want to make a separate entity. I am selecting those faces using shift one by one. I am selecting, yes, okay, I have selected this side. X-ray mode should be on, and then we should select it. I'm just making sure any unwanted faces are not selected. Okay, yeah, not selected. Now I'm pressing P in the keyboard. It will show a menu listing separate menu. There is separation option. So now I will choose selection, because what I have selected I want to separate. So I'll choose a selection, separate the selection. Yeah. Now you can see it is in orange color. Now if I try to access it, I won't be able to do it because we are in edit mode. Edit mode is always personal. When I select one object and go into it, it is the private room of the particular object. So there I cannot select another object as an object. I cannot select. So I have to go to object mode, and I'll be able to select the object who is a different entity. Right. Now this guy, we have made it a square, and yeah. So like this. Then we have to do unwrapping also. Maybe later we will do that. For now, we will duplicate these objects. But how? We have to make a parent for all these things, and then just selecting the parent and the child and the children, then shift D, it will get duplicated, and then we can place it. It is like moving, like one room we are putting things, so many things, mechanical parts, or so many books, or spike box, or many things, camera, pouch, all that we are putting. We are trying to shift one from one room to another room. At the time, what we will do, we put all those small things into one big sack, or one bag, and then take that one bag easy to carry to next room and keep it there. Like that here also we are making a folder and putting all the things into that folder and carrying that folder, copying the folder or moving the folder from one place to another place, like that. So this parent-child concept is also same. Right now, we are going to make a parent here. The parent is always a kind of massless entity. These are all, you see, mass is there, volume is there, height is there, everything is there. It occupies a distance in the space, 3D space. Uh, but when it comes to the parent, it can be even the, it should be, it not just can be, but it should be an empty massless entity. So we are choosing the empty uh, plane axis. Let me call it null. No, empty is bit difficult to pronounce, so I'll say null. So I'm taking the null. It looks like this one. See, it looks like this. So this is a null. This one, I'll make it a parent. You see what is happening. I'll name it first. I'll say group underscore cylinder post 1. Okay. Now select all the children and then finally select the parent, which is empty. You can see that it's very small. It is in active selection, yellow color active selection. So whoever is active selection, he is going to lead the team. He is the main folder in whom all the objects are contained. So this active selection, which I have named group cylinder post 1, is the empty, is the null. He is the team lead and he is going to lead the entire objects, right? He is going to contain all the objects. Now, after selecting all the objects and then finally the empty, finally the null, I am bringing my cursor to the 3D viewport and I am pressing Ctrl P, P for parent. Now I will just mention here object, first option. That's all. You can see it has taken all those objects into its custody. It has shrinked. You can see that in the outliner. Now if I select it and just move it, I'm not selecting any object, just I'm selecting the parent only, which is group cylinder post 1, the empty, the null. Now I move, the entire thing will move. This is the reason we are doing the parent-child relationship. But while duplicating, uh, we should select all the objects and then duplicate. It won't duplicate if I just select only the parent and then duplicate. It will duplicate only the parent. So along with the kids, we should duplicate. Then all will get duplicated. Right? So till here you can do. I think you can share your screen. Yeah. Okay. So you have made it nicely a circle. Very good. Now you can go to top view, top orthographic view. Then just press 7 in the keyboard. You'll go there. 7 7 numerical pad 7. Or if it is not working or in your laptop it is not there, numerical pad is not there. You yeah, you got it. Oh, fine, fine. Okay. Now, okay, home button is not there, no? Okay, right. Now, Yeah, yeah, that is. Okay, another laptop. Okay, in that thing is no, in some laptops, home button will have Windows symbol also. That won't work for us. Home should be only home. It should be written on that key on that button, HOME. That's all. No symbol of Windows and all. Then in another. Uh, in the WhatsApp you have shared the WhatsApp. Mm-hmm. I'll check. Wait. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. This is what I do have. Okay, Nitro 5. I do have the same laptop. Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Nice, same. Okay, RTX you have. Very good. Nice. So, yeah, here home is uh, okay. On the top it is there, but one thing is I'm not using this keyboard, this laptop keyboard. I'm using a desktop's keyboard. Yeah, I'm used to work in like desktops in companies and all. So I am feeling a bit uncomfortable with the laptop keyboard. So I'm using desktop keyboard. Yeah, yeah. So here also, but in your keyboard also, home is there. If you see print screen, Dell, Dell, after that home, just above the backspace, home is there in your thing. So it should work. Yeah, yeah. That it's not working. I will also check here. You just have to zoom out and do. It will just uh, keep everything, whatever objects are there in the scene, no, in the 3D report. It will just bring in the view. Yeah, uh, yeah, it's working. Yeah, okay, okay, okay. So it's very useful button. Yeah, right, right. Okay, so now you can press, you have the numerical keyboard, so you can just press 7 in the keyboard and go to top view. Yeah, yeah, very good. Now you can press home button to bring everything. Oh, it is going like this, no? That's because you can delete the camera. We are not going to use this camera. We can create the camera when we want. That is light. Now you are not able to select, no? That is, I will tell you, I will tell you. Why? Because, no? Can you tell me why? Yeah. Because you were in the personal room of cylindrical post. So you don't have the access to delete or select anyone outside the object. Yeah, this is the one. Yeah, delete. Yeah, yeah. Light also you can delete, delete. You can press delete in the keyboard. It'll be easy, no? Okay. Your wish. How much? Whichever way you're comfortable. Now it will come in the center. Yeah, yeah. Now we are going to make this the bottom guy square. So for that we you can select that slit, the cylindrical slit, the bottommost slit. Yeah. No, no. You have select that one. Yeah. Now go to edit mode. Yeah. Now select the uh, top nine vertices. You are in X-ray mode. Yeah. Make sure that you are in X-ray mode. Yeah. X-ray is on. Now select the nine vertices. Nine set of vertices. Yeah, yeah, correct. I think no, no. Little upwards. Go little minus point. Yeah, yeah. Yes. Enough. I think this is correct. I feel. Yeah. Select, select. Yeah, yeah, this is correct. Now, same thing, parallelly down portion also we should select. With the shift, pressing shift, and then yeah, there. Yes, yes, from there. Yeah. Now, yeah, no problem, no problem. Yeah. This way, no, even if you had selected the additionally, no, it's okay, because there you will learn how to subtract few vertices from the selection. Like you have to press Control and deselect. You can try it. You press Control, press hold Control in the keyboard, and just any one, like that. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Last one. We can again select them. No, already selected one you should choose. Any, like this minus, subtracting the select. Now you can undo it. We need them, so we can undo. Yeah, correct. Yeah, yeah. Now, go to scale option. Yeah, yeah. Left side, toolbox, scale option. Above, that is move, rotate. Yeah, yeah. Now, if you just, you have to go to transform pivot point menu in the top. Yeah, individual origins. Yeah, yeah. Now, by default, this cursor is on, it seems. Just before the transform pivot point, you are seeing cursor menu, no? Cursor menu. Just go to the top, go to top, right side. Yeah, yeah. Cursor menu. It should be it should be either in global or local. Very rarely we keep this in cursor. I don't know how it came to cursor. Yeah, it can be in local. Yes, yes. Yeah. Now, select the green color handle. Take your cursor. That is move hand, scale handle. Yes, yes. Now we are going to do the special manipulation. You are not going to leave the left mouse button. You will be press holding it. Now type 0 in the keyboard. Type 0 in the keyboard without leaving the mouse button. Yeah, it has become flat. This is called, yeah, this is called special manipulation. That is, you just one undo, no, one undo you do. Yeah. Now just press the same handle, green color handle. Yeah, 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 yeah. Now do you see dotted lines along with that? Dotted lines, black color dotted lines, small lines are there in your near your cursor only. You can little, yeah, that one. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So don't leave it. Now at the same time, left side on the top, no, below the edit mode word, do you see scale 1.2627 something like that? Yeah, it will keep, they are running numbers. Yeah. Now there only you are going to input this 0. Just type 0 without leaving the mouse button. Just type 0. It will type there. Yeah. Now that's all. Enter. Yeah, yeah. So this is how, this is called special manipulation. That is, we won't release the left mouse button before, without releasing the left mouse button. We will same time we will just type 0 in the numerical pad. On the top below the edit mode word, it will, the running numbers will change to 0. That is, it will come to stop. Yeah, so this it's unique to Blender. These things are unique to Blender. Right. Now the side ones also we have to do the special manipulation method. We have to apply and make it flat. Side ones, yeah, like that. That is, from the selected one you can choose. Yeah, the also the top selected one, no, corner. Yeah, this you have chosen. Okay. That is one. No, no, wait. That is, you see, one, left side one is missing, I feel. Left side down. Left side. Yeah, yeah. That shift to select that also. Another also you didn't select. Do you see black one? No, no. You have to draw the rectangle on that correctly. Yeah, yeah. So you're feeling difficulty in drawing the rectangular, I think. Okay, we will see that. We will train on that. The top one also we have to select. Top left side vertex, no? That also. Yes. Yeah. Down on that also. Down. Same apply for down. Yeah. 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 Now x-axis scaling to 0. Special manipulation method. Yeah. 0. Yeah. That's all. Well, like this we can make it square. Now we have to make separate them. Go to face mode, press 3 in the keyboard, no, press 3 in the keyboard. That is okay, sorry. You go to back to 7 in the keyboard. Yeah, press 3 in the horizontal numerical pad, horizontal lines, no, 1 2 3 like that. There you press do you see the vertex mode, edge mode, face mode, it has shifted. uh, Vertex mode. Yeah, 1 2 3 is vertex. Yeah, tab also working. Yeah, yeah. So tab 1 2 3. Yeah, all these are very easy. It makes us easy. Yeah. Okay. Right. Now we have to select all the faces on the slit. So for that, first, no, let's come out of this transformation icons like gizmos, no, let's come out of it. Otherwise, no, you may by mistake scale it or move it or rotate it, what something you may do. So press W in the keyboard and bring it to cursor. Press W. No, don't take the cursor there. No, you have to keep the cursor in the viewport and then press. It's a context menu. Blender screen, no? Every one is actually, every cell is different. If you keep the cursor on the toolbox, the entirely meaning of your typing the any key in the keyboard is totally different. So yeah, that is yeah. Right. Okay. Now you have to select the faces. How you will select is you can use the rectangle selection rule. You will select the slit, the square slit. Yeah. All the faces. Yeah. You can bravely like this. No. On the top portion you select. Yeah, like this. Yeah. Yes. Select. Whichever is possible without selecting the center. Oh, shift select. Undo, one undo. Okay, right. Now, yeah. No, it's working. Yeah, maybe one class we will have for this rectangular selection only. Yeah. So, okay, we'll catch it. Yeah. Right. Now, just go to perspective, no? Just to check whether all the faces are selected. Yeah, okay. Any unwanted faces are not selected. We should check that also. Yeah. Okay, all faces are selected. Now, any extra faces are not selected. Very good. Now press P in the keyboard. Yeah. Now we are going to separate the selection. What else selected we are going? Yeah, selection. Yeah. Press yeah. Now we cannot access it. That is why it's showing yellow color and blue, orange color. Both they are showing in the edit mode. In the outliner you can see yellow color cylinder is selected, from where that is a mother object, from where this orange color object cylinder 001 is taken birth. So to now he has become a separate entity. So we have to go to object mode and then you can press the tab. Yeah, no, yeah, right. Now you can deselect. You can deselect. Alt T. Alt T. Yes, very good. Yeah. Now you can name them. Whatever name you want to give, no, you can give. So that will be easy for you to select in the outliner. Yeah. For naming, no, for hiding and naming, you need not select the object at all. In Blender, it is like that. Yeah. Base. Oh, okay. Fine. It is. It is what object it is. I think it's a top fillet. I think. Yeah. You can select and see. You can it will become yellow color. No, select the object and see. Hook mesh is okay. This fillet. Yeah, it is like some rubber kind of thing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Fillet or something, whatever you want. Okay. Now the spear top one, no, you can name it hemisphere or something. Hemis, like that short name, some short name. Yeah, yeah, yes. Okay. Yeah. Right. Now anything else is remaining? Nothing. Okay. Hook mesh, you can name it as hook mesh upper. Yeah. Now we'll copy it and place it downwards, and we'll name it as lower. Yeah, yeah. Now to duplicate it, no, you have to bring the cursor to the 3D viewport and shift D. Bring your cursor to the 3D viewport. Yeah, shift D. Yeah, escape. Yeah. Now it's a bit difficult to move it. Yeah, first you rename it here. Lower we can do. Yes, yes. Now it's difficult to move. No, yesterday we saw one option like set origin to geometry. That today we'll again see. You go to object menu. No, object. Careful. No, you have deselected. I think deselected the object. You have to select the object. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Go to object menu. There is sub menu. No, left side. Yeah, lower one. What you have selected one. Yeah. Now go to the object menu. There is an object menu, view, select, add object menu. In that menu you are seeing set origin, second option. Yeah, now choose origin to geometry. Origin means pivot. Yeah, yeah, now the pivot is inside the geometry, so it will be easy for us to move, rotate, or whatever we want to do. Now we have to place it just above the line. You bring it down slowly. Yeah, yeah, slowly. That line we have added, no, just above it. Enough. Yeah, yeah, for this only we have added the line, so that in UV unwrapping also this sign will be useful. That okay, between this and this I want yellow color, above this I want black color, like that you can paint the colors based on that. Yeah, that measurement, that line. Right now we have made the hook object, right? And what else? We have to do the parent child relationship. So we have to take a parent. I told you, no, parent mostly will be a should be a massless thing. There is no mass. It won't occupy a big space. It won't have any volume. So what is that? That object which has no volume, but just an entity, but has no volume, no mass. What is it? It's called empty, null. So that, yeah, yeah, that we are going to create. Add empty plane axis. Yeah, now it has come. It is very small because it is at the origin. You just press dot in the keyboard. You can press dot now. Bravely you can press dot. That is, I don't know where you are pressing dot. I think in the numerical pad one dot is there. That you try to. Uh, that's the one. Escape you can. If you go like this mistake, no, you can just press escape and come out of the menu. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, now the null you are seeing, you can name it in the outliner as GRP or group in the outliner. Yeah, yeah. GRP underscore and post one, POST one. Yeah, yeah, enter. Yeah. Now select other things. Okay, cylinder post we have to name it. No, cylinder it is there. You have to rename it. I think. Yeah, post you can name it. Whatever name you want to give, but some different name you give. Double click. Yeah. Sorry. Okay. Yeah. Right. Now select all those kids. Those, yeah, except for the group post. All others you select. Control, yeah, control only. In outliner we should use control only. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now finally, and the play base also you have to select. Base, control base. Yeah, yeah. Now finally control group post one in the outliner only. Yeah, yeah. Now you see all those kids, those meshes are in orange color, inactive selection. This active selection is group post color, group post entity, the empty null object. So because we want him to be to lead that, undo, you have deselect, you have deselected it by somewhere you would have clicked. No, no, undo. Just if you had, if something like that happened, no, immediately one undo you do, it will be all right. That's all. Again, one more undo. We have done several actions after that. Yeah, that's all. So one action, no, you are, whatever you are, if you are selecting, it is one action. If you are deselecting, another action. Everything is counted by Blender. Okay, right now, yeah, yeah. Now control, keeping the cursor inside the viewport. Control P. Yeah, yeah. Control P. Yeah, object. Yeah, yeah, object. Very good. Now you see it has shrinked. Yeah, it became one. Means what? It didn't become one actually. It is. It has. It has taken all those measures into its own custody. So he is the lead actually now. So if you can open and see them actually. You take your cursor. Yeah, you can just open it. It will all be there. Yeah. Now to move them. Yeah. To move them, you can just select the group only. Alt A, deselect, have a fresh selection. Uh, just group post one you select. Yeah, only in the outliner you can select it. And you can move. Entire thing will move. This is the advantage. Undo. Yeah. Now the cursor is somehow getting switched on in the top. I think I told no this mouse space. Sorry, this mouse pad space in the laptop we have no, with finger we move the cursor. That space maybe you are keeping your hand. I don't know. The on the top this 3D cursor mode is on. You have to again keep it in local, top next to next to local. This is the 3D. This one is on. Yeah, yeah. That it should be in individual origins or median point like that. Very rarely it can be in. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I will tell you if what is the why the in 3D cursor it will confuse us. What will happen? I will tell you that. I will show you. Now we have made the parent-child relationship. Okay, fine. We have to do the UV unwrapping also, but we will do it later uh, because. Yeah, only after UV unwrapping we have to duplicate any mesh and then use it. Because otherwise, for every object we will have to do, or we will have to copy, transfer UV maps like that. So those tools are there. We can use those also. But generally, what we do, like it is like how. Yeah, yeah, yes. You will apply color, texture, everything, and then only finally duplicate. But yeah, but now we need to create a chain between these two ports. We need one more post so that we can create a chain between those two posts. For that sake, we need a post, another post. So we will, you can duplicate this. But for I told you, no, for duplication, if you just try duplicate it, just press Shift D. No, just press. You have selected the parent. Okay, press. Take your cursor to the viewport and then Shift D. Yeah. Now you just move it. No, move it. Drag your mouse. Drag your mouse. So only the parent is duplicated, not the child. But we need the child also. No, child is the main thing for us to get duplicated. Yeah, no, no. It is a parent. It is a parent. You see in the outliner. You see in the outliner. Outliner. The parent is being duplicated. It is parent. It's not. It's not axis. It is parent. Yeah, yeah. It is axis is different. This is parent actually. So now you can press escape. Escape. Yeah. Now, so how to duplicate the entire folder? So you can just press delete. Delete this one. Just I wanted to show you this. Yeah, delete, delete. Yeah. Now we are in object mode. Go take your cursor to the outliner. Select the group post. Right click. Select hierarchy. One option is select hierarchy. Yeah. Now it will select all the objects, that is all the kids it will select. Now if you duplicate, entire hierarchy will get duplicated. Now you just bring your cursor to the viewport and then press shift D. Yeah, escape, escape, escape. Immediately you have to escape. Yeah. Now for moving, no, you should not move selecting all the objects. Only the parent you should select and then move or rotate, whatever, any transformation you have to do. Deselect, immediately deselect. Deselect. Alt T. Select only the parent. Select only the parent. That is the group post 2. Group post 2. Second one. You can change it as group post 2. Yeah. Yes. Now you can move it. Move it in the y axis. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, move it. Now we have to rotate it also. Go to transform. Transform panel is open, but it is minimized on the right side. No, yeah, that is yeah. Now, in which axis you have to rotate? It is blue axis. That is z axis. So in rotation z, 190. Yes, so this side it will come. Now go to front view. Okay, in your case it is right view. Right view. 3. Yeah. Now select the group post 2. In the outliner you have to select, because empty is not easy to recognize or find in the viewport. It will be very small, so you can, in that case you can use the outliner for selection. Now zoom out in the viewport. Yeah. Now move the group post to right side. We need a big gap. Yeah, 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 yeah. A little more, little more. Yeah, further, further, further. Yeah, enough, enough, enough. Yeah. Now, yeah, okay. Just go to transform, no? Transform how much we have moved. We have to numerically see how much we have moved. Go to transform. It is always minimized. I don't know how. Go to transform panel. Yeah, yeah. Now you see it has moved in Y, no? You see the numbers in Y, location Y. It is 44, right? 44. Make it 45. Let it be round 45. Yeah. Now in the x-axis, let it be in 0. In the top. Yeah, 0. Yeah. Now select the group post 1. Select the group post 1. It is perfect. Yeah. Okay. Right. Now the posts are ready. We have to connect the using the chain. Right. Now I will show you this. You can save the same your file. Your file you can save. Version 2 is always better. Yeah, save as is better always. Okay, auto save you have switched on. Okay. Okay. Okay, save as. Yes. Right. Now I'll share my screen. Right. So I have done what you have done, except for one thing, duplicate I didn't do. I am going to outliner, taking my cursor to outliner, right click on the group and select hierarchy. You can see everything is getting selected. Okay, fine. Now press shift D. Only for duplication we have to select the choose select hierarchy. For moving rotation, that is for transformations, moving, rotation, scaling and all, we need not select the all the objects in the hierarchy, just select only the parent for moving, scaling, rotation, all that. Now I'm deselecting, select only the parent and naming it as post 2. Right. Now I'm moving it here. In the front view I'm doing. Right. Now I'm going to rotate in the z-axis 180 so that it will point towards each other. The hook will face each other. Right. Now uh, let me check how much I moved. In x-axis I'll put 45 like you. Okay. Fine. Press N to close the transform panel. Now I'm going to create a chain. For that I need a curve, Bezier curve. This Bezier curve we'll be using for making designs and extrusion, all that. So later in the future exercises, that is after this and all, we'll be seeing that only. So Bezier curve is very important and very useful. So here itself we are starting the Bezier using Bezier curves. Now I will go to add. I'm in object mode. I'll go to this. We can minimize the outline. Right? I'll go to add curve Bezier. Okay. Now you may say no, I'm not seeing the object at all. Like that you may say no. It is there in the world origin. You have to go and zoom it and see. It is there. It will be small only. Yeah. Now you have to scale it like this, and then we have to see whether it is going to fit between these posts or not. Okay, if I scale it like this, okay, this should be okay, I feel. Now after scaling it, I'm able to see it bigger, so I can easily uh, gauge whether I should rotate this words or this words, that is minus or plus, in which axis I should rotate, all that I can gauge now. Now I feel I should rotate in x-axis and minus 90 degree I should rotate, and I'm using the special manipulation method. Minus 90 I'm typing. Yeah, it is rotated. I'll go to front view and move it like this and place it here. Yeah, like this I'm placing it. Yeah. Now if you see, it is, the shape is not correct. We have, it is by default the Bezier curve will come in this shape only. It will look like a spinal cord, uh, that is lying, a spinal cord when it is lying on the floor, how it will look like that, or a kind of question mark shape like that it will look. So we have to make it a parabolic shape. How to make it a parabolic shape is, we have to go into edit mode and we will be able to see the vertices. When once I pressed tab, yeah, sorry. Okay, okay. Oh, good. That is which for which exercise? Sorry, I forgot that. Okay, okay. Reset. Oh, right, right. Okay. Oh, in the intro session I showed it seems. Okay, right. Okay, okay, okay. Right. So same thing. So when I press go into edit mode, it will show its components. So for the curve, it is showing the vertex with tangent handles. Generally, if I select this mesh and go to edit mode, it will show only vertices, faces. Uh, uh, the vertices will be like this. It won't have any tangent handle around the vertex. That is, you won't find any stick kind of thing around it. That's what we call tangent handle. Those kind of sticks, kind of tangent handle won't be there for a mesh, but for a curve, it will be there. You see, the vertex is there. Around the vertex, you see one handle. This handle is there. So it's called tangent handle. Let me call this vertex and these points tangent handle points. So this is vertex, this is point. These are points. Only when I select the vertex, points will be visible. Tangent handle will be visible, and so the points too. So this is vertex, these are points. Now this side is okay, I feel. Only this side I have to correct. So what I will do, actually this tangent handle, this vertex I have selected, I can move, okay. I can rotate also like this, okay, fine. I can scale also. You see, I'm scaling it. So like this, I can scale also. Here, in our case, we need not scale at all. Just we have to rotate it. I'm pressing hold the control in the keyboard and rotating it. Now I feel this is bit lengthy. It's not a balanced parabolic curve. It should be equal on both the sides. So yeah, yeah. So what we have to do is I press B and try some already existing tangent handle templates. So I pressed V in the keyboard uh, and choosing automatic. Okay. So it has become flat now. Yeah, it has become automatic. When I just press the automatic, it has become flat. Other There are other handle types. I will show you in the next versions, next exercise lessons. So this one is very easy for us. That is very helpful for us. This automatic for this exercise is very helpful. Now I'll go out of this uh, transformation first. Press W. Now I'll select only this point and select vertex and this only this point. Now I'll deselect the vertex. I can do that. That is, after selecting the vertex, we will see the points. Only after selecting the vertex, we will see its points. That is tangent handle points. But after tangent handle points appearing, and we select the points, we can deselect the vertex like that it is. So I have deselected the vertex. Now this side one point is selected, this side one point is selected. I am going to move option and just move it like this. Now we are getting the equal parabolic curve like this. Okay. Now you see it is equal. Now we can even more adjust it. Like it can become little bit smaller. Yeah. It need not completely touch, contact the hook mesh. Little gap can be there. Yeah. Uh, no, sorry, I'm not getting what. We are. It was touching. Now I scaled it down because if I want to fill one chain manually here. Yeah, manually one chain. I will show you. I will show you. So yeah. So I'm seeing that it is not touching. Huh? I'm scaling it little smaller, so it is not touching. And now, uh, one thing I should not do is uh, all transforms. If I do all transforms, the the option I'm going to use, the tool I'm going to use, the modifier tool I'm going to use will show some bad result. So I'm not going to do all transforms just for this curve at all. So I should be very careful that I am not doing the all transforms. So when I select the curve, it will show like this only. Some numbers will show. It won't show the default numbers like zeros. It won't show 111 for scaling. It won't show. It will be some numbers. Okay, let it be. No problem. Now what we have to do is I'm going to create a chain. How to create a chain? I will go to add mesh and then cylinder. That is one chain bead I want to create. Sorry, not cylinder. I am torus. I am using the torus. Right. Now, so many objects are there. I am not able to work here on the torus. So for that, what I will do first, I will go to the settings and okay 48. Uh, Maybe we can change it to like 32 or something. Even more lesser it can be. Okay, 16 should be okay. 16 is okay. So major segments are 16, minor segments are 12. Uh, Maybe that is 8. Okay. So 16 into 8. Right. Now I am seeing so many objects, so I want to hide them. I'll take my cursor to the outliner and press shift in the keyboard and press on the eye icon near the group cylinder post 1. I have to press shift, otherwise the entire hierarchy won't hide. Only if I press shift in the keyboard, press hold shift in the keyboard and then press my left mouse button on the eye symbol, it will hide everything. But if I don't select the shift in the keyboard and if I try to hide it, only the parent will get hidden. So for the entire hierarchy to get hidden, we should press shift in the keyboard and go to the parent's eye symbol and hide it. So I have hidden everything. Now I'll go to top view and go to edit mode and select one side. We have an option in Blender, it's a beautiful option called symmetry. Just for normal modeling also we can use symmetry, but this symmetry not for every object it will work. The primitive shapes it will work. Whatever you are taking from the add mesh, sphere and cylinder, torus, cube like that. What if you are making by yourself from the scratch, or if you had taken the sphere and disturbed its vertices location of vertices by changing the shape or sculpting or moving from here to there, then this symmetry xyz on the top where my cursor is, that won't work. Now you see how it is working. I will switch on the x-axis like this. You are seeing, no? You are able to see. Hello? Yeah, yeah. Right. So, like this. Now, one more thing. We have made a chain bead. One piece of chain we have made, right? Now this thing is bit uh, not straight. It is like curved. It's looking. So I'm going to move this also, slightly make it straight, but the down part also should move. So for that, what I have to do? I have to switch on the Y. Now you see, this also will parallelly move. So like this we can save some work. Yeah. Now this is okay, we have done it. And if you want, we can add some more points here. I'm adding some points. I'm adding loop cuts there. Here also I'm adding loop cuts, same number of loop cuts. Yeah. Now, okay, fine. One piece of chain is ready, and I'll just name in the outliner as chain. Now I can unhide the other things. Okay, till this level, no, you can. I will guide you how to do. You can show your screen. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Right. So we have to create the Bezier curve, right? Yeah. Correct. Bezier. Yeah. Now you can go to press dot in the keyboard. Yeah, I'm able to. Yeah, yeah, I'm able to see your screen. Yeah, yeah. Now press dot in the keyboard. Yeah, yeah. Now uh, just zoom out a bit. Zoom out a bit. I think you have deselect. You didn't create the Bezier. The No, they are like group posts. You see in cell in outliner only the group posts two are selected. Yeah, you didn't create. Yeah. Curve, maybe it got clicked outside. I think when you're clicking. Okay. Yeah. Bezier. Yeah. Now press dot in the keyboard. Yeah, yeah. Now it's created. Now we have to just little zoom out. No, slightly zoom out. Yeah, enough, enough. Little turn the camera rightwards. Yeah, enough. Now we have to rotate in X. You can open the transform panel. It's open. Yeah. Now rotate in X 90. 90. Yeah. Sorry, minus 90. Minus 90. Yeah, yeah. Very good. Very good. Now rotate in Y axis 90 degrees. Yes. Just turn the camera. Let me see. Okay, okay. Just turn like this. One undo you do. One undo. Yeah. Now we have to turn in the y-axis correct only. Uh, just in y-axis 90 you type. Just turn the camera. It should be okay now. Yeah. Escape is. No, no. No. One undo. Uh-huh. Yeah, this is okay. Yeah. Oh, you did 180. Okay, okay. I think 90 will do. I think just okay, okay. 90 will do. Yeah, yeah, 90. 90 makes vertical, no? Okay, okay. Zero, you put zero. Uh, uh, I'm not able to see the little zoom out. Just turn the camera so that I'll be able to see. Little. Okay, okay. Actually, y axis it should rotate and okay. Now you can do one thing. Use special manipulation method. Go to rotation option that is in the toolbox, yeah, yeah. Now use this uh, green color gizmo, green color line, yeah. Now, yeah, yeah, now press that and then type 90 degrees. Special manipulation, yeah, click, yeah, yeah, click on that, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, y axis 90 degrees. 90, 90 press and type 90. Yeah, yeah. Now it is correct. Special manipulation. Yes. Right. Now go to front right view. Uh, no, no. I'm sorry, I'm not getting what. That means it means the its orientation is different. That is what it is showing, no, it is different. Generally it happens in 3D. When we are rotating in one axis, all other axis will also it will also rotate, because the blender's own calculation will be different. It need not be the same. That is why they have given one more option called special manipulation method. Generally we use that only in Maya we use this transform panel, rotation, all that. So in Blender they are using it using special manipulation method. So here it works for manually or for physical rotation and movement. No, we can use this special manipulation method. Right. Now you can go to right view, press 3 in the keyboard. No, no, you bring your cursor 3. Yeah. Now select the curve, Bezier curve. Yeah. Now zoom out or press home, undo. Yeah, home you press. Yeah. Now make it bigger. Yes, press yes in the keyboard and make it bigger. No, no. No, you don't have to. No, you don't have to zoom it on. Just press home and fit it. Yeah, yeah. Press home. No, press home button in the keyboard. Yeah, let it be like this only. Now you scale. Press yes in the keyboard and scale it. Yeah, yeah. Right. I think this is okay. Now you can move the axis. Yeah, and move it. Yeah, place it there. No, you don't have to decel. Now you have to scale down and try to fit it in between. All that you have to do. Yes, yes. Little more scale you can do, I think. No. Need not go to edit mode. First, this edges, no, should little, at least to some extent, it should near the hook object. So for that you have to scale little more. Now you try to move it that side. Yeah. Now bring it downwards. Yes. So very good. Very good. Now you go to edit mode. Tab, you have to press tab. You are pressing something else again. Okay. Okay. Uh-huh. Now press V in the keyboard. Automatic. Yeah. Now select, no, wait, I'll tell you. You have to uh, subtract the selection, vertex little, zoom out, no, zoom out, yeah, keep it like this only, don't change the view. Now you have to subtract the selection, deselecting the vertices, not the points. I told you, no, middle, what you are seeing is a vertex. Around that vertex you are seeing the handle, a stick like thing, right? That is, they are having points on either sides, so they are called, I am calling them points, and vertex in the middle. What is there in the middle? I am calling it vertex, right? Now only when we select the vertex, these points will be visible, otherwise the points won't be visible. You can just check it. You can just press Alt A. Yeah. You select any one vertex. You can just draw a small, no, no, draw a there. You won't see the point. You are on the, on its edges, no, no, on its corner. Now you have selected one vertex, the points are seen, right? There is points means, I told, no, tangent handles points, they are seen. Yeah, the tangent hand along with its points, that is its ends, are seen. Now to, now you press control in the keyboard and then deselect it, no, deselect the vertex alone. Control in the keyboard, no, no, only vertex, no, no. Undo, 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 only that vertex part. Yeah. Now you, what you did, to see those points, tangent handle, you selected vertex, then you are able to see the handle. Now you subtracted this vertex selection, you are still able to see the points. So this is how they have programmed it, so that now you can move only the points, not the vertex. So here our job is only to move the points, not the vertex. Now you can deselect the left side point. Yeah, deselect, control deselect left side point. Yeah, 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 yeah. So now we have one side selection ready. Only one point should be selected, that is ready. Now we'll go for the next vertex, that is right side vertex. For shift select, take your cursor to the right side edge of the curve, right side edge, right side, shift select and select it. Yeah, now deselect the vertex and then right side point. Yeah, yes, then still you didn't correctly do the, you didn't locate with your eyes, I think you didn't see the point rightly. Yeah, 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 yeah. Now go to move handle, choose the move handle, that is in the toolbox. Yeah, now move it downwards, in the y axis, downwards. Yeah, yeah. Now you are getting the equal parabolic curve. Yeah, I think if you want, no, little, it may not be so parabolic, so curved. Little you can up it. Yeah, enough. So that, no, we are going to duplicate this same curve and keep it in the down also. So it should not be like touching the ground, for that sake only. Yeah. Now you can go back to the object mode. Yeah, but you can press tab and go back. Very easy. Yeah, 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 yeah. Right. Now see how beautifully you have made the curve. Right. Now you can rename this Bezier curve as upper wire upper. No, no, completely you can change it. Completely. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Wire, upper wire. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now, now later we will duplicate all that. First we have to uh, create a chain, piece of chain. So for that we need the help of the torus. So go to add, Go to add, yeah, mesh, torus, down, torus, yeah, yeah. Now we are seeing. Don't click anywhere outside because we need the settings. Downward left side settings are there. No, you see that setting dialog box is minimized. Settings. I always call it settings. Yeah, yeah. So any object you are creating, any bevel you are applying, just directly let your eyes go to the settings, which will always come appear in the left side down. Huh? So that we will not click anywhere outside and make it disappear for that only. Yeah, now you can open the settings. Open the settings. Yeah, open it. No, if you just click on that, it will open. Yeah, now major segments are 48 here, but we can make it 16. And yeah, now, and minor segments are 8. Yeah, okay. Now you can minimize this. You can minimize this settings. Yeah, okay, fine. Now go to top view. That is press 7 in the keyboard. Yes, yes. You can press a dot in the function dot or something in your keyboard. Yeah, very good. Now we can hide those other guys. How to hide it? I will tell you. You can take your cursor to the outliner. That press hold shift in the keyboard and press on that I symbol. Press hold shift in the keyboard and press on that I symbol. Yeah, there only. Yeah, it will hide. That also, above one also you have to hide. Yeah, that's all. So, yeah, yeah. Right, now go to edit mode, press tab. Yeah, context menu. Yeah, yeah. Right, yeah. Now press 1 in the, there is horizontal numbers 1 in the keyboard. It is now vertices. Did you see the vertex mode is on? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now always check whether the X-ray mode is on or not, because we are going to do the vertices selection, all that. So for that we need the X-ray mode on. Sometimes we may need to select only the visible part. So at the time we can switch off the X-ray mode. But other times, if we want the other side, back side also to get selected, at the time we have to switch on the X-ray mode. So now X-ray mode is on only. Okay, it's good for us. Now deselect Alt A. Alt A. Yeah. Now select only one side of the points. Left side completely you select. Left side. Draw the rectangle and completely you select. Yeah, yeah. Very good, very good. Yeah, yeah. Now move handle, move it. Move option, move it leftwards, left side. Sorry. Undo. Sorry. One undo. Now we have to switch on the symmetry on the top, no? Top, right side, right side, right side, right side. Further right. Yeah, down, little down, right. Near that XYZ are there. XYZ. Yeah. In that X you have to switch on. No. X, yeah. I will tell you, you don't have to do anything. That is, those XYZ, no, before that, do you see a butterfly symbol? No, you don't have to deselect. No, undo. You just undo. If you undo, you will get it back. Yeah. Now, do you see the butterfly button? Butterfly symbol is there. It's not a button. It's just an icon. So, butterfly means what? Symmetry. This side wing will be same as the right side wing, left side wing. For that it means that butterfly symbol means symmetry. Symmetry word cannot be returned there, it will occupy more space. So for that they have given a small symbol for symmetry, butterfly, right? Now you can now we'll come to the subject. We'll go to the we'll move the handle, red color x-axis handle, leftwards. No, no, the gizmo. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Left, yeah. Move it leftwards. Yeah, yeah. So the right side will also move. Little more, further, further. Yeah, enough, enough, enough. Right. Now, now, choose the y-axis also in the symmetry. Switch on the y-axis. Yeah. Now, deselect and then select the middle one in the top. No, no. Vertices. Deselect first. For that, Alt A will be nice actually. Okay, right. Yeah, yeah, Alt A is best. Yeah. Alright. Now, in the top middle set of vertices are there, no? In the chain, middle set of vertices. No, no, only one ring, only one ring. Okay, right. Now, just move in the y axis. Yeah, like this. Yeah, that's it. So it has become flat now. Huh? Right. Now we have to add loop cuts in the top as well as in the bottom. Now you can deselect Alt A. Yeah. Now take your cursor to the left side. It is left side of the chain. There is a little right side you come. That is where there is empty space. No, so much many loop. No, no. That is in the there are no not much loop cuts in the track. That is in the shape. Loop cuts are not there. Left side loop cuts are there, right side loop cuts. In the middle loop cuts are missing. So we have to add there. No, no. That is take a little there only. This rate, yeah, 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 that region. But there it won't get added. Between this, you take your cursor to the left side, little left side. Yeah, there only you have to add first. Yeah. Now take your cursor to the inside the geometry. Only then it will show the there. Yeah. Now you control R, you press. Yeah. Now scroll mouse button 3. Yeah. Enough. Only 3 is enough. Yeah. Left mouse button. Yeah. Escape. When this comes, escape you can do always. Right. Now deselect and then do on the right side also. Alt A. Yeah. Right side. Yeah. Same thing. 3. Yeah. Escape. Yeah. Yes. Very good. So in the down also same thing. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Fine. Now, so we have made the chain bead. You can name it. Go to object mode. Rename it as chain. Go to object mode. Yeah. Yeah. Now you can rename. Yeah. Chain. You can rename. Yes. Right now, so what we have to do is we have to duplicate this. There is not you don't do this. What I'm saying, just listen. We have to duplicate this into many and make it travel on the curve on the parabolic curve we have created. So how to do that? We are going to use the same tool that we saw in the first exercise, which is array modifier. So we are going to use that only. Right now, uh, what we have to do is we have to unhide the group part 1, group post 1, post 2. So how to unhide is you can take your cursor to the outliner and on the eye symbol. No, you That is, we pressed shift and hit it. Hit it. Now you have to press same shift and then unhide it. Go. No, 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 no. You need not undo it. You can. Okay, undo. You can just hide it again. You can press shift and yeah, yeah. Press. No, no. On the I symbol, you have to do. Yeah, yeah. Press shift. Yeah. Down also same. Yeah, yeah. It has come out. And that side is somewhere else. Yeah, yeah. Now go to right view. Yeah, yeah. Right. Home. You can click. Yes, yes. It will zoom in. Yeah. Now you can close the transform panel. We don't need this. Whenever we need this, you can press N in the keyboard. Okay, okay. You are minimizing it. Okay, okay. No, no, no need to minimize it. You just press. You press N. Press N. Press N. Press N. It will come out. Yeah. Let it be open only. Let it be open. You need not minimize it. Rather than you can close it by just pressing N. Otherwise, we have every time we have to maximize, minimize all. Yeah, right. Yeah, yeah. Right. Now we have made the chain. The wire is also ready. So I told you, no, the wire should never be applied all transforms for any reason. Generally, what we do, we are taught in animation schools like that. Whenever you create an object, you have to apply all transforms, and then only you have to do UV unwrapping or do any animation like that. They teach us, but generic term it is okay, but specific in these cases we should not apply all transforms, so we should be very careful. Once we apply all transforms, we cannot get it back. We have to draw a new curve only. We cannot do the array modifier. There is these chains to travel on the curve. It will change the shape of the chain itself, so it's very risky. Right now, chain we have created, wire is ready. uh, uh, you can scale the using press. Okay, first go to rotation option in the toolbox. In that, in y-axis, circle, no, special manipulation rotation. Y-axis means green color. Yeah, yeah, OS, whichever you are convenient. Yeah, yeah. That is, you can press dot in. Yeah, yeah, very good, very good. So when you're choosing the green axis or anything, no, don't choose the junction, because junction in the blue axis is there, all at that. Keep away from those junctions. Yeah. Now you click there and type 90. I think we are. Just it's a little turn the camera, no? Turn the camera a bit. Okay, okay. So I'm not able to gauge it. Just select the chain. Just zoom out. I'm just trying to figure out which direction we should rotate. Yeah, yeah. Now, okay, you already rotated it now. Okay, okay. So, no, actually, we should undo, no? Undo the rotation. Oh, it is. No, no, you didn't rotate, I think. Yeah, okay. Now, go. It's okay, it's okay. No, no, escape. No, no, yeah, you manually do it. Go to outliner and make them visible. Go to press shift on the. Yeah. Right. Now, first we have to rotate this in Z axis 90 degree. This chain piece of chain, no? Z axis 90 degree. You have to yeah, 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 9. Undo. uh, yeah, carefully, yeah. Press on the uh, uh, okay, something, the camera is rotating, I don't know. Are you pressing any other extra key in the keyboard or anything? Yeah. Uh-huh. But you didn't press, I think, because the dotted lines should come actually. Did you press it properly? First press it and then type it. First, yeah, press it. You should see the dotted lines. Press it. Left mouse button. Uh-huh. Okay, but why the? But the camera is rotating. I'm seeing. What is the problem? No, just try to rotate without doing any 90 degrees or typing anything. Just try to rotate it manually. Okay, now you type 90. Uh, you didn't type, yeah, you didn't click it actually. You didn't click it. Okay, now zoom out, zoom out. Yeah. Now we are able. Okay, now you have to rotate in the x-axis. Yeah, yeah, x-axis. Click on it. Yeah. Now press 90 degrees. Yeah, right. Yeah. Okay. Now you can go to front viewport. Sorry, right viewport. In your case, it's right viewport. And press home. Yeah. Okay. Fine. Now you can little zoom in so that to fit in the view. Yeah. Not much. This much. A little. No. That is entire thing should be in the view. There is two pores in the view. Yeah. Just zoom in. Yeah. Little more. Okay. Fine. Now, yeah. Enough. Uh, Press S in the keyboard and scale it down. Scale it down. Small it. Make it small. Yeah. Enough. Bus. Yeah. Later, no, we can even scale it and adjust it. If it needs, no, we can scale it up. Anything. Right. Now you can press W in the keyboard so that you will get out of this gizmo. Yeah. Right. Now we are going to do the array modifier. Apply array modifier. Go to properties panel. Right side. Yeah. Uh, this spanner kind of thing, blue color is there. No, that is modifier. Yes. Add modifier. Generate array. Yes. Now little maximize the properties panel. No? Maximize the properties panel. Yeah. Little more. Yeah. Okay. Now you can increase the count. Yes. So you are able to see that chains are getting duplicate. Not. How much? 20. Okay. So maybe 40 will do, I think, or 35. 35 should. Okay. 35. Yeah, this is enough actually. This is enough. Now you see they are like maybe we have to increase the count later. For now we'll keep like this. 35 is okay. 35 or 36 something you have to type. Okay is. Now you see this thing is not inside the chain. That is, chain means one piece of chain should be inside another chain, no? Like that link should be there. So yeah. So for that, no, you try to type point 95 in the factor x. Just type 0.95 something. No? Yeah. You see, zoom inside. Any one intersection, you just zoom in. can press, you can use shift mouse button, shift and middle mouse button to zoom in. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, very good. This is called panning. Okay, panning the camera, we say. Now you put 9.9 only. Yeah, little more up. Now point 0.8, I think 0.8 you can. Yeah, now point 7 you can put. This should be the final, I think. Yeah, this is okay. Yeah. Yeah. Now this has to rotate also. So how to do that? We should not manually rotate it. So there is an option for that. Now you can increase the count and see 45. You try to put 45. Yeah, maybe 40. No, maybe 50, I think. Yeah. Okay. Maybe later we may reduce it. No, no. Actually, we have to reduce it because it should not come. The curve is smaller than this length actually. Yeah, 49 should be okay. I think 49 you can say. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, we are going to increase or decrease later. Right now, we have to turn the chain. If you go to, just go to perspective, no, go to perspective, user perspective. Yeah. You go, zoom in. Any that chain object you can select and zoom in. In the outliner, you can select the chain object. Yeah. Press dot in the keyboard. Dot dot. Okay. Dot means it is entirely framing. Okay. No, you have to manually frame. Okay. Now in this case, no, what you can do is, no, press home. No, press home. Now little zoom in. Enough. Now go to edit mode. No, edit mode. Edit. Yeah, yeah, edit mode. Yeah. Press tab. Yeah. Now select the vertices in the beginning. That is that original object. No, just draw a rectangle there. It will select. Yeah, that's all. Now press dot. That's all. So this is how we can locate the camera to the desired location. Right. Now we have, now you can press Alt A, deselect, and then come out of the object, come out of the edit mode. Alt A. You have to keep the cursor on the viewport. No, you are forgetting a bit. Okay. So press Tab in the keyboard. Yeah. Now, we that is you must be remembering, for the staircase we were using one third party guy into the array modifier to make the staircase replication a spiral form. We brought an empty. We brought an empty. Very good. Yes, yes. Now the same third party we are going to take the hand over the job. You can go to add. Go to add. Yeah. Empty plain axis. Plain axis. Yeah. Now select this chain object. Yeah. Now go to in that object offset will be there in the array modifier settings only. Settings. Yeah. Yeah. Switch on the object of. No, first we have to switch on. Yeah. Then you can refer the empty. Yeah. Now you see it is like scaling all that it is doing. That's because, yeah, I will tell you. You okay? No problem. No problem. Select the empty and press. Yeah, yeah. Press. Select the empty and press dot in the keyboard. You will immediately locate there. For anything, no, this is the Raksha. Just press any, select any vertex or empty. It's not coming. Press function dot. It will come. It should come. Yeah. Right. Now, select the chain. Take your cursor to the viewport and Control A. all transforms. Yes, now it'll be okay. Now there is we may have to change something because this axis has changed. Yeah, yeah, axis has changed. uh, Now select the chain. Select the chain. It is already in selected selection. Go to the modifier settings. Yeah, yeah. Now this point 0.7 we have you have typed, let it be, just type it in the uh, y-axis and see, no, there is make here it is zero point 0.7, and in the x-axis it should be 0. Here y-axis 0.7, x-axis should be 0. Yeah, yeah. Now it is, we have got it correct. Yeah. Now, now you have referred the empty here in the object offset, right? Now select the empty. Select the empty. Yeah, yeah. And now uh, go to toolbox, rotation. Switch on the rotation toolbox, left side. Yeah, yeah. Now rotate. Do the special manipulation rotation. Green axis line. Select. Uh, Now press 90. Type 90. Yeah. See, you got it. That's all. Do you see the chain kind of arrangement? This is how the chain will look. Um, how this happened is, all of them. Uh, no, it won't change like that. Then you didn't properly understand in the first exercise. When we made the spiral, it was rotating uh, everything, all the steps, all the cubes it was rotating. But when it is rotating, you are thinking it is, that is, if you rotate this torus, no, 90 degrees, it will look the same, right? That is, if you rotate, yeah, if you take a sphere, okay, you apply 360 degrees, will you see any change in that? No, it will look the same. Why? Because you are seeing only the shape, you are not seeing the value. So if you see the value for these cylinders, no, it has changed actually. 90 degrees it has changed, but we are not able to see the change. You just manually try to rotate it, no, you will see that. You just don't type anything, just manually rotate it. No, no, there is, you have selected the empty, so rotate it in the y-axis manually. That is, just rotate it. Select. Yeah. Are they not rotating? Yeah. So all are rotating only. Yeah, yeah. So yeah. 3, no, no. It should be 90 only. Only then you will get the mm, right. Now this empty we have done. Fine. Now what we have to do is, this set of chains should travel in the wire. How to do that? So select the chain. Select the chain. Yeah, yeah. Now we have to apply one more modifier. We have applied array modifier, which is to duplicate the object and then uh, change its arrangement. We have done that. Okay, fine. But it has to travel in a curve also. That is, so array cannot do that. We have to take another modifier's help. So how to do that? Go to add modifier. Ah, now there is a deform menu. Is there deform menu? Yeah. In that, do you see um, curve? Third option. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Okay. Fine. There is this. What we are seeing, nothing has happened. You have to refer it, no. Only then you have to see in Blender, no. If you just apply one modifier, you cannot expect any change. You have to go deliberately give the option, give the refer the object. See, you in array modifier, you had to switch on the object offset and then refer the empty in the field. Only then it will, there is a possibility of there arose the possibility of changing. Yeah, so like that here also you have to, just by applying we cannot expect the change. Now you scroll the in the properties panel, take your cursor in the properties panel and scroll it, scroll mouse button, yeah, scroll, yeah. Now you are seeing curve, object, field, all that is there. So in this we have to refer the curve. We have named it, so it's easy for us, upper wire. Yes, yes. Now you see the curve, it is aligned on the curve, but it is not properly aligned. Yeah, it is. That curve is different. It is not traveling on a curve object, no. It is just a curvature shape, right? It is not a curved wire. That is why I'm calling it wire, because curve means you will bring all other curvature shape, all that you, and you will confuse yourself. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So here we have to see why this guy is not aligning on the curve. Uh, I think just switch on the in the curve modifier, no. Switch on the. There are four icons next to curve. Curve word is sorry. Curve word is there. Just switch on the icon. There is the other deactivated icon that also is switch on. No? Yeah, that one. Okay, so still it is like this only. Uh, Go to fit type, that is in the array modifier, fit type. In the array modifier, fit type, in that fixed count is there, fixed count. Yeah, yeah, there. Try fit length, you know. Try fit length, second option. Yeah. Now, okay, still it is on the same place, right? Fit curve also same place. Now we just fit curve, you see fit curve, last option, and refer in the field, curve field, the curve. Yeah, upper wire. Okay, it is the same actually. Okay, I will see in my screen, I will see. Yeah, please, please, yeah. You can save. Okay, after coming back you can save it. Yeah. Now you are able to see my screen, no? Okay. Now, okay, okay, fine. So what I have done is, in your scene, no, uh, you have selected the chain, right? Chain. Okay. So what you do is, in array modifier, fit type is fit curve. Okay. Next is you refer the wire in the curve field below that. Yeah, okay. Right. Now then in the curve modifier, you would have already referred, I think. Wire is referred. Curve object. Yeah, yeah, okay. Now select the wire in the outliner. Select the wire in the outliner. Only the wire. Yeah. And bring your cursor to the viewport and press N in the keyboard. It will that is open the transform panel. And yeah, yeah, yeah. There in the location XYZ type 0. You type zeros. Okay. Now the chains would have got aligned. The chains are all. Wait, let me see on the in your screen. The chains are not aligned. Okay. Uh-huh. All are zeros, no? In the location, all are zeros. Uh-huh. Okay. So, once again. Yeah, it should work actually. Uh, I think maybe we shouldn't have done the chain all transforms. I think, but I too did the all transform, but still it's working. Um, Let me check your scene. Yeah, it's all zeros. Fine. Everything is fine only. So you just select the chain, no? Select the chain. Chain, yeah, yeah. The chain object. Yeah. Yeah, okay. There also you can select. Now, uh, okay. You try to go to move handle, press the toolbox, move it leftwards using the y-axis line. Yeah, it should not shatter right there. Yeah, okay, to shatter. Okay, yeah, it is now aligning. Okay, so it was not refreshing. I think. Press dot in the keyboard. Okay, it came like this. Okay, so it has multiplied so much. Okay. Just fit type, change it to fixed count. Okay. So it is still off. It is starting from there only. Somehow it is not starting from the. Okay. No, no, no. This. Yeah, it's but it's this many chains should not have actually be duplicated. I think maybe we should not do the all transforms for the chain. I think just because it was not in the in the no, no, we have to take a new torus and then or no, no, this switch off the array. There is go to you can okay, you close the array, close the array. Yeah, close the array. This curve also close. Yeah, now it is right on the center. I think you just press dot in the keyboard. Yeah. So it is not in the world origin now. Uh, that is okay, but just zoom out now. Zoom out. It is not in the world origin. You it's a bit difficult now. You have to hide the great group post one and two. Shift to press hold shift and then hide. Yeah. Yeah. Now you can easily move it to press shift S. No, shift S. Uh, yeah. 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 Now selection to cursor. Yeah. Yeah. That's so there is a yeah. This one kind of option is there. Right. Now press N in the keyboard. In the yeah, N in the keyboard. Now it is all zeros. Okay, fine. So now let's see if it is going to like properly align. You can switch on the curve is ready. I think. Okay. We need not switch on the group post and all. Just add modifier. Go to add modifier. There is in the properties panel. Yeah, yeah. Uh, a generate array. Yeah. Now count some 10 or something we can put for now. Yeah, yeah. And in your case, it should be y-axis. So zero point 0.7. Yeah. And object offset on. Switch on the object offset and refer the uh, empty in the field. Yeah. Yeah. Now it got set. Now go to add modifier and add deform curve. Yes. Refer the wire. Upper. Yeah. There only. Yeah. Correct. Upper wire. Yeah. Let's see how it is. Okay. It is starting from there only. Okay. Uh, no. Actually, it will go off. Actually, if we. It won't come this way. Yeah. 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 I think something small thing. Uh, I think small thing would have got changed. I think uh, we will do one thing. I'll just share my screen. I will do from the beginning. Okay. Instead of you doing it, I will do from the beginning so that you may find out where it went wrong. Somewhere some values changed. It seems. So here. So like this, actually, we can keep it here. All that we can do. Oh, sorry. Okay, I'm sure. This what I did is like this one. Like there is the chains are getting aligned, and I am just trying to move, make the chain smaller. This I will show you again now. Okay. Now I'll select the curve. Go to its edit mode and select all the vertex. Go to front view and move it here and keep it. So this, okay, again we'll delete the wire as well as the chain. Right. I will even hide the group post. go to add and create a torus top. It's already 16 into 8. Okay. Now switch on the X. It's recording. Right? Switch on the X. I will deselect all the vertices. Draw a rectangle on the left side of the vertices. Select them and pull it like this leftwards. And the other side will also change its shape to create a piece of chain like shape. Now I will select this part, press symmetry Y and move it downwards. Fine. I will add some loop cuts here. Here also I will add. Uh, yeah, we are not going to do anything. But in case of texturing, no, that place will look very empty when the light is casted upon it. The If there are no triangles, enough triangles in that region, it won't look good. So let it be equal. Here there are so many loop cuts. So here also equal with equal number of intervals. Let there be loop cuts like that. I'm thinking. That's all. But it won't. If you are going to render it from some distance, so it won't make much change actually. So what you are saying is also right. Right. Now we have made the chain, piece of chain, and name it as chain. Now let me draw a curve. Go to front viewport and add. I'm in object mode. Curve Bezier, and I have to just rotate in the X and scale bigger, and I'm just scaling it rather than moving it because the again I don't have to put zeros in the location and get it back. So yeah. Now I'm scaling it bigger. Just I want to see the size. This is okay. Right. So now I'll bring it back. Now, so the scale is set. I just have to do the tangent handling, make the tangent handles automatic, and then it is already selected. I have to deselect the vertex and the right side points and left side most points. So inside those points should be selected, and I move it downwards to create the parabolic curve. Right now this is done. Now I'm not applying any all transform for this, nor even for the chain. Maybe I can rotate it if it is needed. I just rotate it, or let it be like this only. Even that we will not disturb. Uh, I have selected the chain. I will go to add modifier, generate array, and I'll put fit to curve, and I have to change the name of the wire upper. So here I'll select the chain and then wire upper. Okay, fine. Then I have to give the object offset here. Add empty is already there. I can use it. Right. Now I just have to change the number to 0.7 or something. Fine. Now I think I have to scale the uh, size of the chain. So I'll press S in the keyboard and no, I should not do that. I'll go to edit mode, select all the vertices and then scale it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So now maybe we'll have to again scale down the size and increase the number and all. But for now, first we have to do the curve modifier. Apply the curve modifier. We have selected the chain. Apply one more modifier called curve modifier. Now I'll refer the wire upper here. Yeah, it got fit. Yeah, yeah. So last time also worked. In your scene, I think what I told you that we had to, because your front side, your what I'm doing everything in the front side, you are doing in the right side. So maybe for that sake, I just asked you to apply all transforms. But I think that had made a small change. I think so. Here, when we are doing now in your blender, uh, we will not use all transforms. We will keep the chain piece of chain like that only without any rotation. Let's keep it like that. We may not straighten it. Ah, yeah, yeah. You can, yeah, you can take, you can delete it. Yeah, the chain wire also you can delete it because we moved it. We don't know what values got changed, so it's very subtle. So, yeah, I will come. I will come. I will. You can. Your yeah. Your screen is already shared. I will unshare my screen. Yeah, I'm able to see it. Now you are in top view. Go to edit mode. Yeah. Now deselect and select the one side set of vertices using rectangle. Yeah, careful. Yeah. Now switch on the symmetry. No, you did. Yeah, selection. Yeah. Switch on the symmetry. X. Right side, right side. Yes, yes. Yeah. Now move leftwards using the x-axis handle. Yeah, leftwards. Yeah, yeah. Little more, little. Okay. Now select the top one. Only that middle one. Yeah, yeah. Now switch on the one and little move downwards. Yes, enough, enough. Okay, as you said, you need not add vertices. For now, we'll leave it. We don't have time. So now you can rename it as chain. You can go back to object mode and yeah, yes. Now go back to object mode. Yeah. Now we have to draw the curve. Uh, so go to add. That is add menu. Curve above curve Bezier here. Now just I don't know which is this is top orthographic, right? So go to right view. In your case, it is right view. Ah, where? Yeah, okay. Go to right. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now you have to rotate in. I think you rotated in the x-axis 180 or something. You just go to rotation transform panel only. Okay, if you are doing this special manipulation, then you can unhide the group post 1 and 2 so that we can see and which angle we have to group. This outliner you can unhide the press shift and unhide the post. Yeah, yeah, that one also. Yeah. Now press home in the keyboard. Yeah. Now just make it bigger so that it will be clear for us. Press yes in the keyboard. No, you can home. Let it be in the all in fit view. Uh, uh. So it is scaling now. Now, yeah, it is scaling now. Actually, only from the top we can see it. Yeah, enough. Yeah, scaled. Leave it. Leave it. Yeah. Now this green color axis is there, no? Green color axis. Yeah, that you press hold and then type 90. Yeah. No need to deselect. Yeah. Upper wire, last one. Yeah. Last. Now blue color, select the blue color axis and press minus 90, I think. Minus 90 you type. Okay, minus now. Okay, then undo you do. Plus 90 you try. Oh yeah, special manipulation plus 90. Okay. Okay, now you do same manipulation z axis, blue color axis manipulation, 180-degree you turn. 180-degree. 180. Yeah. Right now, press home button. Yeah. Now scale. Press yes in the keyboard and scale it. Yeah. Press. Yeah. Again scale. Again press yes. Yeah, enough. Yeah. Now we need not move it. We anyway have to just see the measurement. Just if you want to see the measurement, you can just move it and see. But we have to come back. You just go to take the curve and place between. Take the curve, select the curve, and take the curve between. Place it between the. Yeah. So little scale down. Press yes in the keyboard and scale it down. Enough. Enough. Now you go to press N in the keyboard. N. Uh, sorry. XYZ in the location zeros. I'll make it zeros. Yeah. That's okay. Press N again. It will go back. No. Yeah. So the just we have to make it parabolic. Go to edit mode. Now all vertices is selected. Press V in the keyboard. No. Press V. Press A. Yeah. Press V. Automatic. Yeah. Now press dot in the keyboard. Yeah. Now deselect the the right side vertex and the point. No. There is control you have to select. Pressing control you have to deselect. Yeah. Undo. One undo. Press control and draw rectangle. That middle one also. Yeah, very good. Middle vertex also. This vertex also. Very good. Now move it downwards. Y axis. Yeah. Little. No, not very little. Very little. Not even more upper. Enough. Yeah. Now go object mode. Yeah. Now let it just be here only. Now we have to select the chain object. Yeah. Now go to modifier, the spanner kind of thing. Add modifier, generate array. Yeah. Now fit, there is fit type. No, it can be fit curve. Third option. Yes. Now in the curve field you can give the upper wire. Fine. In your case it is a factor x is that is the 0, and then y axis is 0.7. Yeah. Now object offset is on. Yeah. In the empty. Yeah, that's all. So now you see, this is why we had to rotate it actually, because your axis is different. Now we have to uh, actually go to transform orientation. There is press N in the keyboard. Press N. Yeah. Now we will try to rotate. There is no no. Choose the rotation option in the toolbox. Let's see what axis we have to rotate. I think x-axis. Just in x-axis you rotate and see. Okay, okay, it is happening like this. Undo, undo, undo. Ah. Go to edit mode. Tab. Press tab in the, yeah. Now press A. Ah. Now uh, now go to the rotation option in the toolbox. Yeah. Now just try to rotate in the x-axis. No, no, undo, undo. X-axis. X-axis. Okay, okay. Symmetry is on or what? Okay. So I think one thing we have to do. Wait, wait, wait. No, no, no. Wait. Undo, undo, undo. Yeah. Go back. Object mode. Object mode. Yeah. There is here. Uh, Go to just perspective. See the perspective. Then make it, yeah, yeah. Now, okay. We'll do one thing. We will keep like this. Select this group object post one. Group object post one. Select the group object post one. First one, and z-axis rotate. Z-axis rotation special manipulation. Uh, yeah, 90. Wait, wait, wait. I will tell you. Actually, this is where this is. Minus, yeah, 90 is okay. Yeah. Now go to front view and see, okay. So actually minus 90 you have to type. Minus 90 you type. Uh, right. Now the group 2 post 2, no, that you can right click and no, you don't have to do anything. Escape, escape, escape. Uh, Go to outliner, right click, and select hierarchy and delete. We are going to duplicate another one. Delete. Delete hierarchy. Yeah, delete it, right. Now select the group post one and right click. Group post one and right click. Select hierarchy. Yeah. Now bring your cursor to the viewport. Shift D. Escape. Yeah. Now Alt A. Yeah. Now select the. That is no. You you can be in the front view only. Front viewport. Yeah. Now select the group post one in the, there is 1100, second one, second one. Change it to two. Yeah. Now you, it's okay, it's okay. Yeah, yeah. Now move it rightwards. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Little more, little more. I think 45 we moved, I think. No? That is in the location X, in the transform panel, location X, just put 45. Yeah, yeah. And below 0, let it be. Yeah. Now, in rotation, this one, you put 90 degrees in the Z rotation. Yeah, that's one. So now this upper curve, go to top view, top view. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This curve we have to rotate. Upper curve we have to rotate. Last one, last. Yeah. This one we had rotated in 180. No, I think it's in x-axis or something. You just try to rotate. Escape, escape. It's not one. That one I think. Escape. You manually try to rotate. No, go to rotation option. Rotation. No, no. Zoom out only. Home, home, home. Press home button. Ah. Now in the y-axis you rotate. You see how much values. Slowly, slowly. No, no. Escape, escape, escape. Ah. Undo. Yeah. Now slowly you rotate. Slowly just rotate and see the values on the top corner. Yeah, yeah. When you're rotating this downwards, you rotate downwards. Yeah. So 90 you type now. Press 90. Yeah. Okay. Uh, so actually we have unrotated the Z rotation Z. You can type 0 in the transform panel. Rotation Z. No, you can type 0. Yeah. Right. Now you can go to front viewport and just we'll just check whether it is okay or not. Front viewport. Yeah. Okay, this is okay. Now go to top again, and we have to change the rotation chain also. Rotate the chain also. Yeah. So select the chain and rotate in the z-axis. That is in the special manipulation. You okay? Here also you try to rotate. Okay, 90 you put. Okay, it's happening like this. So I think we have to remove the array modifier and then do it. Array modifier. Yeah, we can remove the array modifier and then we can do it. Uh, yes, go to front viewport. No, no, no. Make it 0. Make the 90 0. Okay, it was like this only when we took no from the add torus. It was like this. Yeah. So let it be like this only. We need not change it. Now we have everything zeros and the curve also okay I feel. Now you just try to give or add modifier. Try to give no, no, escape, escape. Add modifier right side property. Yeah, 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 that one. Generate array. Yeah. So now it is in the x-axis only. It is duplicating. Uh, okay, 30 okay. And in the, no, no, here, no, no, here it is no more the point, no more y-axis because it was near. Yeah, yeah. So here in the x-axis 0.7. Yes. Now you have to bring the object offset on. Switch on the object offset. Refer the empty. Yeah. Now it will do like this because empty is rotated in a different way for the right side viewport. So now select the empty, or we can even delete this empty, have a fresh empty to avoid this. You can press close button is there, just near the empty. Yeah. Yeah. Now delete this empty, select this empty and delete. Yeah. Now create a new empty, add new empty. Yeah. Now we have to refer this empty. Yes. Now we can select the empty and rotate it in the outliner. No, 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 no. Undo. Ah, yeah. Select the empty and rotate it in x-axis. In x-axis. Undo. There is a red color line, no? There 90. Press 90. Type 90. That's all. Yeah, that's all. So now it should fit, I think. We'll just check. Select the chain, and go to modifier. That is spanner kind of modifier. Yeah. Now uh, add modifier. Okay, you are doing that. Good one. Yeah. Third option. Correct one. Refer the curve. Yeah. Upper wire. Yeah. Right. Now go to add modifier and add curve modifier. Deform curve modifier. Right. Now refer the upper wire. Yeah. Oh my god. Again, it's coming like this. Yeah. I think so we did all transforms or something. Sorry. Yeah. Uh, no. I think no. It should work actually. Uh, where we did the mistake. Okay, if you don't mind, no, shall we do this chain bead again? Chain. This piece of chain again. Shall we do? Okay, you can delete this chain alone, not the curve and all. Just chain only will delete. Yeah. So go to add mesh torus. Go to top view. Top view. Select the torus. Yeah. Now press dot in the keyboard. Yeah. If you want, you can hide. Yeah. Okay. Now go to edit mode. Yeah. Now deselect and then select one. Yeah, only one side. Yeah. Now switch on the X in the symmetry. Right side. So right side top. No, below the X. No. Undo. Yeah. Right side top. No, X is X symmetry. We have to switch on that butterfly symbol I told you. Yeah. Now go to move handle. Move handle in the tool. Yeah, it's okay. Now select move handle in toolbox and move it leftwards. Yeah, fine, nice. Now only in the middle portion you have to just we have to switch on the y-axis in the symmetry and then move. Yeah. Now let's switch off the xy axis because it may create a problem in future. So let's off the symmetry because it's a bit dangerous. Yeah. Now uh, rename this as chain. Yeah. Okay. Now go back to object mode. Yeah. So we have done the chain, piece of chain we have created. Now go to front view. Yeah. Press home. Okay. We have to switch on the visibility of group post 1 and 2. Yeah. Press home now. Yeah. Now you have selected the chain object. Go to add modifier. Generate array. Yeah. The Yeah, okay. Fixed, there is fit type is third. Yeah, okay. First one. Yeah. The curve we should refer there. Upper wire. Yeah. Uh, so object offset on and empty. Yeah, this is also correct. So let's go and add modifier. Deform curve Add one. Top. Yeah, that one. Yes. Deform curve modifier and refer the curve. Oh my god. Okay. Now, yeah. Now let's do one thing. Select the upper wire and just yeah, upper wire, and uh, press move button, move option in the toolbox. You would have opened it, I think. Yeah. Select the move button. There is a move button. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah. Just move it rightwards. Move it rightwards. Yeah. Okay. We have to. I don't know why we have to manually do this. Okay. Anyway, dot press dot. No. Yeah. Okay. Move it a little words. Let's place it manually. Yeah. No. Middle. Little more. No. Y-axis we need not move. No. Y-axis we can make it 0 in the transform panel. X-axis only in X-axis. No. Not free move. Only in X-axis. X-axis handle. Undo. Ah, X-axis handle. You. No. That is you just. You do you see the chains in the middle? That is. Yeah, like that. No. Just exactly in the middle of that entire chain geometry. You have to place the curve. Yeah, enough. Now go to press N in the keyboard, uh, and in the Z axis you have moved escape, not X axis, Z axis, last one. Yeah, that make it 0. Yeah, right. It should be in the middle one. Now select the chain. Select the chain. Now we have to decrease the size of the chain now. So for the you can press N now. We don't need this transform panel. Yeah. Now go to edit mode. Yeah. Now switch on the uh, icons in the array modifier and the curve modifier. Small I4 first line in the same here for the curve also. Yeah. Now press A in the keyboard. Uh, Now little home button you use, no? Home button. Yeah. Now press S in the keyboard and scale it. Scale it down. Slowly scale it. No, scale. Yeah. So, even more. The change should be smaller actually. Yeah, even more. Yeah. Enough. No, not this much. Little. No. Press S in the keyboard. Little bigger. Little smaller. Little smaller. No. Slowly. Little more smaller. Okay, fine. Yeah. Now press tab in the keyboard. Yeah. Now select the upper wire. Yeah. Now if I move this curve upper wire like this, no, it will get shattered. No, don't move. But if we are going into edit mode and moving the vertices alone, it will not happen. Nothing will happen. So go to edit mode. So we are now into the edit mode of the upper wire. Select, press A, it will select all the vertices. Now you can freely move it. You can place it in between the in between the post. Yeah, free move. Yeah, okay. Left axis. Yeah. Yes. Now leftwards little move. I think leftwards. Yeah, enough. Now you just go to object mode, press tab in the keyboard. Yeah. Only here we can see properly, otherwise this tangent handle will hide it. So again you have to go back and right side we have to move. Go to edit mode and then little right side in x-axis right side we have to slightly we have to move. Yeah, right, slightly, little more. Yeah, maybe now you check, no? Go to object mode and then just check. Yeah. Um, yeah, okay. So we can even adjust the post and bring it near. That's not a problem. Or if you feel like, no, if you feel like little, we can scale up the curve. That also you can do. You can go to edit mode again. Go to edit mode. Now you scale. Only vertices we have to scale. No, no. Bring the cursor here. Press S in the keyboard and scale. Press S. Yeah. Slowly you. What is happening? Okay, okay. And it is scaling the tangent handles. No, undo. Let us leave it and then undo. Yeah. No, no. Press A. Press A. Okay. Oh no, no. Sorry. Undo. Deselect. Go. Select the upper wire. Let the upper wire be in selection only. Now go to transform pivot point in the top next to local. Let it be in edit mode. Yeah, yeah. Let it be in edit mode. Yeah. There, individual we have to shift. Median point. Median point. Now you try to scale it. Press S in the keyboard and then scale it. Yeah, yeah. It will scale the entire thing. We should be very careful only. Yeah, it will scale like this only. Enough, enough. We have little made it bigger. So now you can move it and place it. Yeah. Huh? The the curve has changed, huh? Okay. I think before itself it got changed. I think. That is okay. Then undo. You can undo it. Control Z you put. Control Z. Uh, okay. Now you try. You go to object mode. Maybe now it is okay. I think. Object mode. Uh, yeah. Now it is okay. Right. So. Um, uh, yeah. Now we will have to add one more fillers, but we need this little more bigger actually. So I'm just trying to find a solution for that. Uh, press home button. Press home button. Yeah. So it should scale actually. I don't know why it's not in the vertex mode. It should correctly scale without disturbing the tangent handles. It should scale. Uh, Go to edit mode. Yeah, yeah. Now we'll do one thing. We will bring the cursor in between. Go to in the toolbox. No toolbox. Left side toolbox. Yeah. 3D cursor is there. 3D cursor. Second option. Icon. Second icon. Yeah, yeah. That you just click in the middle of the chain. No, middle of the entire length of the chain. Yeah, yeah. That is enough. Now you don't click anywhere. Just press W in the keyboard. Yeah, okay. We have to immediately come out of the uh, 3D cursor mode. Now you press A in the keyboard. Uh, Now, yeah, maybe all are selected. Just to confirm that I asked you to do. Now go to transform pivot point in the top. choose 3D cursor. 3D cursor. Yeah. Now press S, slowly scale it. Yeah. Okay, it is moving from one place to another. So, okay. Okay, little. You have scaled it. Just no, you don't have to. Oh, no, 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 no. No, without moving it, just undo, undo. Ah. Now go back to object mode. Yeah. Now what you have to do is select the chain, and then yeah. Now you can just increase the count there if it's possible. Go to modifiers. Yeah, yeah. There is go to fixed fit type, fixed count. Increase the count to 40, 45, maybe 43. You can do 43. Okay, maybe 45 is okay. 44. 44 is okay. Now select the curve. Select the upper curve and just try to move in the left side. No, left side. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Right side, right side, right side. Yeah, yeah. Now go to edit mode. Yeah. Now move it left side. Uh, okay. Now go back to object mode. Yeah. Okay. So this is the way we can increase it actually. Now you have to select the chain. 45 you can put, and then again for change array fix count. No, count should be more 45 like that. Yeah, 46 you can put. Yeah, 46. Now it is looking like as if it is more, but you select the upper wire. No, 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 no. Undo, no. Ah, uh, upper wire. Yeah. Now you just try to move on the left side. Okay. 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 Now, no, not in the y-axis. No, 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 no. Undo. No, y-axis we should not do. Now go to edit mode. No, no, we should. No, 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 no. It is. The- yeah, yeah, yeah. There is. Yeah, yeah. Now go back to object mode. Let's see if it is okay. Okay, fine. Nice. So we have got it. Actually, we should get it straight without much effort. I don't know really. Maybe we will try this lesson again if you are not, if you don't mind. That is this chain alone. This chain alone, no? Maybe in the next session we will try it again so that we should not leave it like this. So now, uh, yeah. Now, sorry, the time is 11:30. So uh, tomorrow also we will do. Okay. So now tomorrow what we will be doing is the filler we have to, that is the connecting chain, chain piece of chain will be duplicating from this one only, and we will change the shape of it. Little bigger it will be, and then there will be a little like capsule kind of thing, something will be there on the, so like this to connect with the main thing. Yeah. So like that we'll be doing. Once we do the upper chain completely, we'll duplicate and keep it in the down. That's all. Yeah. Okay. Okay, Poonam. Okay, you can save the scene file. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So tomorrow, actually, I'll be in travel. So, yeah. So Tuesday, I think we can have the class in the night time. Same time. Tuesday is fine. Okay. Okay. Okay, Poonam. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay. Yeah. Bye. Bye.